Okay, this is the Stila Stay All Day lipstick, and I absolutely love this. First of all, I think the packaging is so cute. You can see that. It is the cutest packaging, and it is the perfect neutral lipstick color for if you don't want to do like red lipstick or dark lipstick and you don't want to be too bold, but you just want to look nice and put together and natural. I've already applied it just so I didn't have to spend the whole time applying it on video. So this would be with like a second coat. You can see that before it was a little bit more pinky and my lip color. If you keep applying it, it does get a little bit darker, a little bit more purpley, I would say, but I absolutely love this. That is with a few coats, but at the beginning of the video, that was just with the like original coat. I feel like it looks really good. It looks really natural. It does stay all day. If I need to remove my lipstick, I do have to use a like makeup remover or like a facial cleanser and then like a quick wipe on the lips as well, because it does stay so well. It actually see natural lip look. It's like soft. It doesn't feel too drying on my lips. Sometimes I even apply a gloss over top and I love that. But yeah, this is absolutely the perfect lip and I definitely recommend trying it.